I've never played Hanzo before. I'm stressed for my life. Okay. I'm ready.
Look at this team. Wow.
Ready to pop some heads. You ready for my dragon? Where am I shooting? Where am I shooting? Where's my crosshair?
Oh, I didn't get that.
Oh, I'm asleep. I'm having a nap. Oh, I got dragon! Oh, I died. I have a micro dragon. Sorry, my bad.
Dragonile dysfunction is crazy.
Say that to my face, you limp noodle!
The little dragon? And he goes,
About it.
"Rah."